Have you heard about the critical recall affecting Jeep Grand Cherokee owners? This recall could impact your safety on the road. Let's dive into the details. Chrysler is recalling up to 91,787 Jeep Grand Cherokee plug-in hybrid SUVs. A significant software error poses a serious risk. This error can lead to an unexpected loss of drive power. Most alarmingly, it can result in a vehicle crash without prior warning. The recall applies to specific models from 2022 to 2026. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration has confirmed this information. As of now, Chrysler has reported no known accidents or injuries related to this issue. So, what is causing this problem? The recall report states that a reset in the battery pack control module may be misinterpreted by the hybrid control processor. This error leads to a loss of propulsion. When propulsion suddenly stops, it can create dangerous driving situations. The problem lies within the hybrid control processor itself. Specifically, the microprocessor in the battery pack control module is overloaded. Manufacturers are actively working on a remedy to fix this defect. If you are affected, expect to receive a notice in the mail by October 23rd. This is a vital safety concern that all Jeep Grand Cherokee owners must take seriously. If you own one of the affected models, monitor your mailbox for updates from Chrysler. Keep yourself informed and ensure your vehicle is safe to drive. To sum up, if you own a 2022-2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee plug-in hybrid, watch for the recall notice. The software issue could lead to a loss of drive power and potentially a crash. Stay tuned for more information from Chrysler. For now, take action. Check your vehicle model and be prepared for the upcoming notice. Stay safe on the roads.